What is up, everybody? I'm Weather Authority Kid Meteorologist, and current storms are already breaking out at 10, 11 a.m. if you're on East Coast. Almost 12, really. Holy cow. Looking at the warnings, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio, Tennessee. We did have a tornado warning, but it looks like that was able to cancel, which is good. We are going to look at the Tennessee severe thunderstorm warning. Actually, we're going to look at the one that has a tornado possible tag. That's some definite straight line winds. That is obviously straight line winds with a little bit of rotation. But that's not the only thing we're going to look at today, I promise. We're also going to look at the outlook for today. It looks like there is a slight risk in place with a 5% tornado risk. And if you're in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, I think you have the highest chance to see an EF2 plus tornado. Not even a plus tornado, just an EF2. Wind, there is oh wow, that wind risk got upgraded. Okay, so there is 30% risk areas for hail. I mean, not hail, wind. So that's definitely going to cause some damaging wind. Hail is going to be the primary threat for up in Ohio, West Virginia, New York, and Kentucky. It does seem like we got a new severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, we did for Summit and Wayne. Okay, Summit and Wayne. So that actually just got extended, because that's like the main, like, primary target that everyone's looking at. We do have special marine warnings for Lake Erie, Hawaiian coast, and Hawaii coast. I'm not too worried about those, mainly because I don't cover Hawaii. We're also gonna look at some tornado footage from Iowa yesterday, so that's gonna be interesting to look at. So looking at this, tornadoes are definitely a threat for today. I think they're more of a threat for the deep south than Canton area. I mean, I just said Canton because that's the first thing I saw. I mean, they do have tornado watches though, so be weather aware. Be weather aware. That's all I'm going to say. Be weather aware. Listen to your local meteorologist and yeah, be weather aware. Please be weather aware. Please. Okay, so we are going to look at some tornado footage from Kincaid County in Iowa yesterday. It was extremely dangerous tornado, so we're going to look at that now. I'm going to turn my mic and camera off. As you can see there, that was a very devastating tornado. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm if there were any lives lost, and I do not want to confirm that because that would be awful if there was. I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna cut this video a little short. Weather 40 Kid Meteorologist signing off for now. I will be live at 12 o'clock Central Standard Time, 1 o'clock Eastern Time. Thank you.